Good morning, Word Study friends. Welcome to this week in Word Study. We're going to take your test. I just want to remind you to turn off your autocorrect, your auto capitalization, your spell check, and your predictive in your settings. At any time, if you need to pause the video, you may do so because I'm going to run through and you can pause and if you need time to write your answers or type your answers. We're going to get started. We have 12 today. The 1 through 10 are words that were on your sort, and then number 11 and 12 are your challenge words. For if you learn the discovery, then you'll know how to spell those words. And then finally, just don't forget to put your discovery at the end. Number 1, smiling. I like to smile because smiling is my favorite. Smiling. Number 2, cleaning. It's springtime now, so a lot of you might be doing some spring cleaning. Cleaning. Number 3, keeping. I hope you are keeping up with all of your homework. Keeping. Number 4 is writing. I hope you are writing down your homework every night. Writing. Number 5, living. Do you know the address where you are living currently? Living. Number 6, shouting. We certainly don't want any shouting in the classroom. Shouting. Number 7, fishing. During the spring and summer, the boys love to go fishing. Fishing. Number 8, using. I hope you are using all capitals at the beginning of the sentence. Using. Number 9, mailing. Please bring in all of your book fair money. I will be mailing it out today. Mailing. Number 10, saving. What are you saving your money to buy? Saving. Now again, we have 2 challenge words. These are words that you should learn based on your discovery. Your first word, challenge word number 11 is facing. Please make sure you are facing the board to pay attention. Facing. And number 12, falling. Please be careful. We do not want you falling off of the balance beam. Falling. All right, that completes your word study words. Don't forget to complete your word study discovery last. And I hope that you all have an absolutely wonderful spring break. And I look forward to seeing you when you get back to hear all about it. Bye, guys.